Milan, my mother-in-law, mzee William Malesi, senior presidential advisor, Super Bowl. Na mother-in-law, the district speaker, Kabale District of
Your Grace, Archbishop Lambert, I'll go by the protocol that my brother has already said, because of time. God is good all the time. I want us to clap our hands for Honorable Thomas Lewo. We want to thank God that today we are here. Out of an idea that was conceived and we started with about 8 or 10 of us, and now the church is here. We want to thank you, Honorable Thomas Lewo and Anita. Thank you so much. Today, we want to congratulate you about reaching 8 years. Congratulations. And we are proud of you with the Mama for giving us a very brilliant, young, down-to-earth person in the name of Honorable Lewo. Thank you so much. We also want to thank the people of Kitoma for giving us a leader in the Honorable Thomas Lewo. He's a very sweet leader. And the executive speaker is one executive speaker who knows what his role is. He is so down to earth and very social. I was very worried that I was going to start thinking everybody last year, because that is him. We want to thank you for the trauma, and we want to bless you that can bring back right on the road. I only have one time to serve. When I finish studying my one time, I give it to right on the road. We also want to thank the people of Kitoma for giving us a leader in the Honorable Thomas Lewo. He's a very sweet leader. And the executive speaker is one executive speaker who knows what his role is. He is so down to earth and very social. I was very worried that I was going to start thinking everybody last year, because that is him. We want to thank you for the trauma, and we want to bless you that can bring back right on the road. I only have one time to serve. When I finish studying my one time, I give it to right on the road. Because you don't need to dream of God. I have one time to go, then I hand it over to you. I want to thank everybody, the honor and famous of Parliament who have been able to come here. I want to thank everybody who has been able to come here. And we want to thank the family of Daudi, say Daudi. You have us in your home. We want to thank you for doing this for your children. You did an investment. Even if the Lord wants you tomorrow, you will have made the prayers. And because of time, my work is not.
barishimye kuboriye bikakuzaba kwishyuza kwawe ngwe wagarura mukama byakugiriye twenda gusima tugire kugarukiro iwe na misiana wawe na nabeka yangu ngo yimugire mukama wakweye ukongeraho evangelisho muri bandere twahora yango kumingi wakanye nagamba kuki Kristo akareba abantu yabateze sasi kama shuleni wakati ngweye kujahuye kusaba ukarekeresha kama Yesu ukaanga kwawe sinizokuza kwawe zikisukisha kwawe amwe mama nzisho kwawe uzoka kumwana wawe tukongera umugati w'amagara n'ikiboko cy'uburokozi kandi tusima ukwikiza twagiriwe tukakweza twakwishingiriza n'uturezi itawabaga namwe n'ishema ya Kristo tugera hamwe kumurokera
hayukama ijwi Eklezia yawe tunesiona uje kwinjira mu rukundo n'umwe amanoweza wa Papa wetu Francisco n'umwisa wetu Lamberto nabona wakoze ukwisa abatuba
Oh,
8 men, 4 women, and protected by those people. Now we have one very hata mwingine kusema jana akitendelea hiyo simu. Unaendelea na wanasime. Ikitoka inaendelea na wanasime ni kama wale wale jina la mama tuta wewe umefika simu. Ekaya ndio msema tunapotea na kukumbusha neno mtu mwingi hizi wishi ni baba takuwa wewe bila kuna kidogo kwa kuelekea ndio Baiwan manene kuna pesa kusilo nisha musibio. Baiwan manene wanasema kukupa nisha musibio tuzekelea kama tukoe. Ni jirani kuteleka kanisa. Hapo tunapata uvivu tunamtengeneza na kujaa. So, I didn't know father, and I knew today is going to Thanksgiving, where I can make anything for the church. Just it's only looking in the past. Thank you.
Anita Amon, we gave you Manameri and the board so that whenever you're in environment, you sail through to develop our nation. Thank you so much. And our last gift goes to the Archbishop.
In this mass, the right honorable Speaker of Parliament, the right honorable Anthony Mom, and the dear husband, Engineer Moses Magogo, Your Lordship, the Deputy Chief Justice, Richard Butera, and the dear wife, the Principal Judge, my brother, Fabian Zaida, the right honorable Alifa Rebecca Kabaga, the former Speaker of Parliament,
Bwana nijalie yote. Right Honorable Dr. Wakana Bunda, former Prime Minister. Right Honorable Amama Mbabazi, the former Prime Minister. Honorable Ministers, Ambassadors, friends. Abantu mwena abumviriza byane business ubike your grace kandi abantu mwena abumviriza byane in the interest of time because the president is already here. So and we must have lunch. So I want us honorable police. The request honorable members of parliament just stand up. Honorable members of parliament. Thank you for coming. Thank you. I request one of members of SEC, Secretary Committee of the Party. I know they are here. I've seen Honorable Chiwata, Honorable Damoto, Right Honorable Kata, Right Honorable Buka. I saw Honorable Singh Katope and me. Well, I'm not going to make a speech, but me and my dear wife, Anita, we want to thank you for coming to join us in fulfilling that wish. We say happy birthday and we love you. Mommy will go trade. Dad and mom have been married for 4 years. So I will celebrate. And mom also, you know, women do not like mention in their age because they might be off the money. But mom, we are celebrating because also the 4 years. You can see how graceful the Lord has been to us. Now, I want to talk about this beautiful house of God. When I conceived the idea, you will see the story on the back of our photo mask. Just I request you will read to see why I put in all this. So when I conceived the idea, I said, you know, the Lord has given me so much. Me and my wife, we can easily do it. Then I told my sister, the speaker. When I told her, she's like, you're lying. He says, I'm going to support you. I won't mention how much people supported me with. But when she told me she was going to support me, then my brother and sister Marina, who all of you know, about Manamena, in Sister America, said, no, you can't do that. So, they went and conspired with a few friends. Chairman Chirura, the chairman of Pagarama, the chairman of people who are Chairman of Chirura, Dr. Sudhir Ruparelia, Abafumo, Dr. Sudhir Ruparelia. Muguru Hamchimundu, Oguru people to Chirago. Mr. Nagano Kaposhokas, I will Tawiva, Mr. Sadat Mulinga, I will Shuzi, Mr. Martin Mamusa, my brother, Olum Saraway, Patricia. Mr. Riva, Rutalingua, Lung Sarawi. Come on, when it takes so. I think I moved to the wife. Mr. Ben Kapuya, Ika, Rongo, Benawi, Mr. Francis, my brother, Ajaho, Sarawi, Rati, Mr. Hussein Abdallah, Manyaja, Mr. Emma, Makandwanaho, Mr. Toyota, Kabuta, Nashi, Ejet, Kezia, Toto Hamwe, the South in the 2.7 billion. Because of 2.7 billion. Now, I did just, I think Mr. Chimura will do 1 hour. Is it enough? I think in 1 hour, because I saw some people say, now you get government money, you build such a church, you do what? In Just less than 1 hour when they passed home, these people gave me one video. Now, Mr. Zeng has given me 50 million. And I have more work, but we are competing. Don't see no glasses, no one, and say, no, these people are fundraising, they are what we have the resources to compete. So we are competing. So even tomorrow, the contractors are competing. But we prematurely did this because we have to celebrate to say this. Oh, Mr. Patrick Kitabude, who has just also entered, also supported. Now, don't say, why did people refuse? They vote themselves. So don't think you're not my friend because I didn't vote. You always supported me. I want to introduce in a special way. It's one which is on land, and the children I can see. All these children, these are the people who built for us our Omushija, what traditional Ganyakche. So this gentleman in 2016, I'm part of his family, and he built for us a school here. Now, I just wanted to bring introduction. Now, I am Trama Ambassador Platia, former speaker of Parliament. Now, I am in Hong Kong, so we have a Shisha, or we know Home. So, Mwate, where are our country? But allow me to introduce just a few people and we will go. I want to speak at you. I want to, first of all, introduce the ministers. When I will tell you to change, Okungo minister, we will share one of the Supreme and where I was the economy. When I will tell them and be a wife. Oku, Nimtaka ni wa Awangabu, Oku Nimtaka ni wa President. Nani kuweza kuweza kufanya mambo ya solution kufanya. Wale wafanye kama mtu wewe hapo umecheza na second school ama ndio maana ni maana unashika huyu. Mani wanaona yanipa kwa uya minister wewe magara na wale wapa magezi minister wa cabinet sejana. I have here ambassadors who have come to join us. We know Ambassador Ikare of the Uganda, His Excellency Moro Masoni, and his dear wife. Your Excellency, we want to say about Ikare of Uganda, and Kazoena Kumana Yui, Soni Gatamu, but she loves yams and sugar cane. So I only send for yams from here, and I send to the embassy. They are like very good friends. I have my Excellency Gimenu, the Ambassador of Ethiopia in Uganda. My brother, Excellency Rutabana Joseph, Ambassador of Rwanda in Uganda. Kandi, my grandmother, Roma, and my wife. The man I'm going to introduce right now the Excellencies. This is the man who gave Uganda a cancer fund, a cancer treatment fund. And he has also been offering, he has taken around 100 children from Uganda for heart surgeries in India. Arabuire abantu bitwa Uganda bari kwasheze mu India. Abamukanira na Tokaira. Kandi haki ayofanyije criminal Uganda ko guru na kuheza officially is going to launch the program. His Excellency Al-Rawal of Sudan. Now, Ogogo Mshirika is one of the Indian billionaires you have. He is the owner and founder of Ajanta Pharmaceuticals, one of the world's biggest manufacturing my brother. I visit him twice a year in India. He goes to me with the whole family. He pays tickets for 15 members of my family, and we are always, and whenever I have projects, it's my biggest father. Thank you, Excellency. Now, also, His Excellency Vinod Sagwe. Oh, Mr. Sagrewan is Uganda's foreign also to Mumbai. His Excellency Vinod Sagwe in India is one of the biggest textiles that he owns. And he's our foreign also to Chennai. And one of my biggest supporters, they are here to see which projects they can help me on in transforming the community. To know their power to come here, they were welcomed by the ambassador of Uganda in India, Professor Chafunda. They were in the chat, and I think, yes, now we are blessed to be in my village. Excellent. Yes. Now, this kind of brother of mine, he showed I came to the village for a week to send me to seminar. Now, when I went to the village for a week, these people said, no, we want to see why I did. So they came and formed me in a meeting with the women. And and Emma contributed for us 200 million there for the women bank. And we sent 100 million. Now the women bank is doing very well, and we also pay for structure. Where I can run that? Where I can is one of them we are producing in Western Uganda. They are the largest landowners in Lisbon. And they own yachts, they own everything. Wakati njaba ya kidogo kumungora sio. Ala sisi aitani. Baada ya mwanamke kuna mshirika singwe.
Oh,
very strong. It's in Luke chapter 1, verse 46 to 55. Each one of you. That's I recommend it for everyone. The moment you do things for the Lord, everyone will keep saying you're blessed, but people don't know where the blessings are coming from. They are just coming from one. Right, Honorable Speaker, come and greet us. My father, my mother-in-law, William Alexi, senior presidential advisor, Super Bowl. Now, mother-in-law, the district speaker, Kabali District Program.
Your Grace, Archbishop Lambert, I'll go by the protocol that my brother has already said, because of time. God is good all the time. I want us to clap our hands for Honorable Thomas Leo. We want to thank God that today we are here out of an idea that was conceived, and we started with about 8 or 10 of us, and now the church is here. We want to thank you, Honorable Thomas Leo and Anita. Thank you so much. We want to congratulate you about reaching 8 years. Congratulations. And we are proud of you with the Mama for giving us a very brilliant, young, down to earth person in the name of Honorable Tayo. Thank you so much. We also want to thank the people of Kitoma for giving us a leader in the Honorable Thomas Tayo. It's a very sweet leader. As a executive speaker, is one executive speaker who knows what his role is. He is so down to earth and very social. I was really worried that I was going to start making everybody laugh here, because that is the thing. We want to thank you for the trauma, and we want to bless you that kind of bring back right on the road. I only have one time to serve. When I finish serving my one time, I give it to right on the road. Because you don't need to claim on power. I have one time to go, then I hand it over to you. I want to thank everybody, the honor and members of Parliament who have been able to come here. I want to thank everybody who has been able to come here. And I want to thank the family of Daudi, say Daudi. You have us in your home. We want to thank you for education for your children. You did an investment. Even if the Lord wants you tomorrow, you will have great us. And because of